Oh hey car fans, and welcome to James Rosal's Toy Car Review. And this one, I'm the Matchbox RV right here. And I'm going to road trip to James Rosal's Toy Car Review City, or James Rosal's Toy Car World. And I have my friends right here, and the car fans was sitting right here. Okay, and let's explore to James Rosal's Toy Car Review. Vroom, 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 vroom. Hey guys, so I've got here the latest, the Hot Wheels. I've got the Hot Wheels, the Chrysler Pacifica, aka the 4x4 Minivan. It was Hot Wheels special. It's not the same Hot Wheels without the flame. Yeah, flame. It says flame. Yeah, I'm correct. And it's so really big, and it's really nice. And now let's unbox it. And look, the design is so cool. And you even search the code. And let's talk about that later. And now let's unbox the Chrysler Pacifica, the latest Hot Wheels. Oh wait. Oh, there. I actually ripped it. Oh, wait. And so, whoa, look at this. This one has interior. And what is this thing? Oh, maybe this. Wait. You see this? It's kind of blur. Yeah, there. Whoa. Does the mini car fit inside the Pacifica? That's impossible. Whoa. I think this one's my most favorite minivan. It's really 4x4, and there's 2 spare wheels, and there are only 2 seats, temporary. And this one's for family. This one is just for off-road, and there's a roof light, and there's a new off-road bumper, and there's a Chrysler logo. It's all blue, headlights all blue, and Hot Wheels number 6 Pacifica Racing. I think there's no trunk, but in real life has trunk, but in Hot Wheels version no trunk, because there's a spare tires, and there's a mini 4x4 Jeep right there. We actually fit. What? It's so impossible. Maybe in real life, maybe in real the design, the real car of Pacifica's Hot Wheels version, it has it has the real mini 4x4 Jeep. Oh, so cool. I actually like the Jeep. It's only one. Maybe this thing is for kids, maybe. Maybe. And Pacifica, whoa, I like the stripes. It is white, red, and gold, number 6 on it. And it's actually too blur. I hate this. And there you can, it's very cool. And it's really beauty. Look, it's real Pacifica. And other ones, it's town and country, but doesn't have like that. It's only Pacifica. And look at the bottom. It's last 2018 release. I think this one's last 1 year. And it's really cool, and it's blue and really beauty. And there's a mini spoiler right there, and there's a Pacifica, and the other side of the Hot Wheels logo. And look at the beauty wheel, and let's just put, and it's 5 spokes star shaped, and the off-road wheel, off-road tires, and that's all for the describe. And so for the next video, I'm gonna review for this Chrysler Pacifica 4x4. And now let's review for the next video. See you in the next video, car fans. And do not leave I mean, never mind. I'll just stop this. But see you in the next video. Hey guys, so I'm back here. This is the part 1, and now let's review for the part 1. And so since this one is since this one is a Hot Wheels racing Chrysler Pacifica 4x4, and this one's actually sorry, it's blur, and this one's actually like the kids, the Jeep one, the motorized mini Jeep, and there's only one steering wheel cause I call this the kid ones. And so there's 2 spare tires. The door at the trunk was removed, so because this one's extra. It's perfect for off-road. This one is perfect for off-road. The original bumpers replaced to off-road ones, and this one is pretty nice, and new wheels, 5 spokes, and the importance in the off-road is the roof light. So if you're going to woods, then it's nighttime, or the forest nighttime, then it has a road. You can actually use a roof light to see everywhere if it's very dark or like that. And so let's go back here. And so this one's beauty, nice, and this one's elegant. This one's I searched the website, this Chrysler Pacifica. This one's also touring edition and hybrid editions, eco-friendly too. This one's diesel, the gas, and this one's 4x4. It doesn't seem the 4x4 thing. Doesn't seem. It's only lots of Pacifica logo and beautiful stripes. It is white, red and gold, and it's number 6 Pacifica, and it's Hot Wheels, and it's 6. It's so beautiful ones. This one's really beautiful for me. It's really nice minivan, and this one is lots of beautiful front. This one, the grills like the copy of like the Chrysler Town & Country. It's almost the same. This one's small. The grills in the Town & Country is big, and there's a sunroof. You can actually see the sky, but do not look the hawks. Maybe they break the sunroof. And this one is really beautiful. This one's only minivan off-roady. Go to off-roady. I just invent that word, the off-roady, cause I want to call this only the minivan off-roady. And there's a 3 circle thingy right here. It's aircon, and where you can put the something right there. Maybe you put the drinks, the air freshener of Ambipure or the Glade, like that. So if you have a pier, you can actually put all the seat. If you have the biggest thing to bring, you can actually flip the chair and put something, for example like this. It's only 2 left passengers, only 2. Maybe your wife and husband can sit, or your friend can sit like that. And it's really nice, and it's really very nice quality. And this one is my most favorite in the Hot Wheels Racing Special, cause this one is minivan. This Pacifica is really minivan 4x4. And now lastly, and I'm gonna show you that I have the Ford F-150 2009, the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary special, and here it is. So I found this here. It's really light blue. This one's dark, and this one's number 5. It's orange stripes, and look at the wheels, so beautiful. It says 50 here. Just made. Yeah, there it is. It's really nice, and this one's the shape of the loop, the 0 ones, and this sponsored was by Toyo Tires, so you can see a bit, and it's Toyo Tires. It's really nice, and it's really nice. So in this one, there's a black letter and a bit blue windows. And now let's compare the size. And so both are medium. This one's medium duty and this one's medium duty, and this one is extra large and this one's large only, cause this one's off-road. Since this one's minivan, this one's pickup truck, so I call this EXO. This one is large cause this one's off-road and big wheels and the off-road tires. And now let's compare at the back. And so the things on this one's nothing, blank, everything's blank. And this one, while the Pacifica has things, the 2 spare tires and the 1 mini Jeep, and that's all. And so the tail, the trunk, the doors, this one has and this one doesn't have, cause the spare tires. I think this one's table ones. Can you tell me what this thing does? And it's really 4 doors, all of 4 doors plus 1, it's 5 doors. And this one's beautiful, no sunroof, has sunroof. And that's all for describing and review for both of them. So I have to ask you a question before I end this video. So which one is your most favorite, the Ford F-150 2009 or the Chrysler Pacifica 4x4 2018? And that's all for the question. Comment down below and I'll put the poll maybe tomorrow. Never mind. And put the poll or write the comments down below faster right now. And so lastly, remember, comments, likes, and subscribe our videos. And always remember, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe our videos. See you later, car fans, and good evening and good night to those who are sleeping. Bye. Guys, so this one is the secret ending of this video, the Chrysler Pacifica. And so I forgot to say something, but this one is extra at videos ads, so I forgot to say something. And so I'm gonna not take so long in reviewing this Chrysler Pacifica meanwhile, and so cause I'm just running out of time only. It's already night time right now, and so it's just yesterday right now. It's just right now, and it's nighttime already, cause I'm just even running out of time. And that's all that I want to say to you. This one's just an extra video that I add to you, and so I forgot to say something while I'm reviewing. I just make a medium review. It means a bit long to review, so I always take so long to video, and that's all to I say. And remember, don't forget to like us and subscribe my videos. See you later, car fans, and that's all that I want to say, cause I forgot to say something. Bye. Oh, hey, thank you for watching at James Rosal's Toy Car Review, and thank you for delivering the videos. No problem. And so don't forget to like us and subscribe our videos. And I have lots of delivery to James Rosal's car fans. And thank you for watching in my video, and thanks for delivery some Juice Instinct. And let's go and let's say goodbye to James Rosal's Toy Car Review. Wait, I'm not leaving anymore. I'm not gonna change the channel. Okay, that's all. Bye!